So we're saving loads of time with all of these things, and we're jumping straight off onto a device that has raised a monitoring alert. And all of these things cumulatively throughout the day, they save a lot of time. The engineers are making thousands of clicks a day and not having to jump between different systems and just deal with all these little inefficiencies and extra windows. It's really helped. And you know, conservatively, I put it at around a half an hour a day per engineer. You know, which is quite reasonable. You know, on an 8-hour day, that's something like 6% of our engineering workforce, and the size of business we are, which is about 10-12 people, that saved us about £10,000 a year, just the unification of those two products. So,
about 18 months ago, swapped over to the RMM tool, AEM, and that unification between those two platforms coming together certainly allowed our engineering team to gain some efficiencies, and we did some time and motion studies and came up with about 15 to 18% increase in the amount of tickets that we're getting through during the day, so it was good.
AEM is something that, because it is so tightly bound to Autotask, we're able to keep a much closer eye on what's happening within the customer's environment and footprint. We know that a new system came online, whether or not they told us. We know that that system is going to generate some sort of ticket at some point, so I'd much rather get ahead of it and make sure that I can get in front of that customer and say, hey, oh, by the way, we saw that machine that you brought up. Mind if we throw that on the contract? Better to ask the question in advance. It makes them actually think that you're minding the store.
When we did the analysis on the time it took us before to serve our customers compared to the time that it takes us now, we've actually reduced our time by about 140 man-hours a week. When I put that into a cost number, our saving in terms of salary cost is somewhere in the region of around £100,000 per annum.